Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is High Living Foods, what I ate today. That's right, high living foods. If you want to feel good, not get sick, not have health problems, be at a good weight, be active, you gotta eat those living foods. It's the best way to do it. So I did a 5-mile run earlier today. It's about 1:30. Probably do a 6-hour intermittent fasting window today, 5-6 hours. That's another secret, intermittent fasting. Get out there, get some sunshine, get your blood pumping, move that lymphatic system. It's the way to do it. So starting off with a liter of cucumber juice, green juice, and I'll be back soon with what I'm gonna have after this. Now it's about 2:30 and I put together a smoothie. This is my classic power smoothie. I've been making this one a lot lately. So this is a liter. It was a little bigger than this, but I started drinking it already, or eating it already. It has 3 frozen bananas, a cup of frozen blueberries, some date water, which is the date soaked in water, a glass of almond milk, a couple tablespoons of almond butter. It has a tablespoon of the Marcus Roscrans green mix. It has Garden of Life meal replacement. And what am I missing here? A tablespoon of cacao powder and a couple tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. So, complete package right here. I'm gonna enjoy this. It'll take me probably 30 minutes or so to have, and then I'll be back a little bit later with what I'm having next. At about 5:30, I put together a huge green salad. This salad was really big, so it took me about an hour to eat it. But I had a whole bunch of greens in there. I had almost 2 avocados, I had a large Fuji apple, I had a whole bunch of celery, and 1 cucumber. And I didn't even use any dressing, I just wanted the flavor of the vegetables and the fruit. So that was my big salad, big dinner salad, and I have one more thing coming up. It's now 7 o'clock and I'm gonna make some banana ice cream. I have a small food processor here, have some frozen bananas, and I'm gonna add some cacao powder. And my food processor is kind of small, so I usually throw a couple in at a time, blend them up, and then add the cacao powder and blend them up. And this thing wasn't too expensive either. These are only like, I think, $35. So I'm gonna let them, I took them out of the freezer, the bananas, let them defrost for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'll throw them in there and blend them up. There's the finished product. I decided to put a scoop of peanut butter in there as well. So some banana peanut butter chocolate ice cream, and I'll have a couple servings of that, and that's gonna be it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff. Share the video with people that need to see this. And thanks for watching everyone. Hope everyone has a great day. Bye.